For those juggling multiple computers and craving a streamlined workspace, the TESmart Quad Monitor HDMI plus DP MST KVM switch might just be the answer. This device allows seamless switching between 4 computers, all while utilizing 4 monitors. Imagine the possibilities for multitasking. The key feature here is the MST multi-stream transport technology. This enables a true 4-screen extended or mirror display setup. This is a game changer for anyone working with large data sets, complex design projects, or even gamers who want an immersive experience. The ability to use screen splicing and matrix-like configurations further enhances its versatility, making it suitable for both professional workstations and high-end gaming rigs. Setting up the TESmart KVM switch appears straightforward. It supports 4K resolution at 60 Hz, ensuring crisp and clear visuals. The inclusion of USB 3.0 ports is a welcome addition, providing fast data transfer speeds for peripherals. It essentially functions as a KVM docking station, consolidating connections and reducing cable clutter. The dedicated audio and microphone ports are convenient for video conferencing and communication. The inclusion of EDD emulators is a thoughtful touch. These emulators ensure that each computer recognizes the connected monitors, preventing display issues when switching between systems. Hotkey switching provides a quick and efficient way to jump between computers, further enhancing productivity. The rack ears offer flexible mounting options for those who prefer a more organized setup. The fact that input cables are included in the box is a definite plus, saving users the hassle of purchasing them separately. The switch itself is constructed from metal, suggesting durability and longevity. It operates on a 12 V DC power supply and draws 2 amps of current. The push-button switch type is simple and reliable. The unit is ETL certified, indicating that it meets safety standards. While the dimensions 16.5 by 8.7 by 4.7 inches might seem a bit large, this is understandable given the number of ports and features packed into the device. Overall, the TESmart Quad Monitor KVM switch seems like a well-equipped solution for anyone seeking to simplify their multi-computer, multi-monitor setup. It offers a blend of functionality, convenience, and performance that could significantly boost productivity and streamline workflows.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.